Looking for a powerful and reliable solution for heavy lifting? Whether it's for your workshop, warehouse, or industrial use, these electric chain hoists combine strength, safety, and efficiency. Here are the top 5 best electric chain hoists you should consider. Let's get started. Item number 5. This electric chain hoist offers a powerful lifting capacity of up to 2,200 pounds with both single and double line options. Powered by a high-efficiency copper motor, up to 1,600 watts, it delivers strong, reliable performance with built-in cooling to prevent overheating. Easy to install on ceilings, it features a wireless remote control with a 328 feet range, plus an emergency stop and electromagnetic brake for safety. Perfect for garages, workshops, warehouses, and home use. Item number 4. This electric hoist offers a lifting capacity of up to 880 pounds, ideal for engines, tools, and construction materials. Powered by an 850-watt copper motor with a cooling fan, it ensures efficient, long-lasting performance. Easily mountable on ceilings, it includes an emergency stop switch and electromagnetic brake for added safety. The 14-foot wired remote control allows safe, hands-on operation. Perfect for use in garages, workshops, warehouses, and home projects. Great for both professionals and DIY users. Item number 3. This electric winch hoist offers a strong 1,100 pounds lifting capacity with a 1,500-watt all-copper motor and 25 feet lifting height. It supports both manual and wireless remote control for convenience. Built with a compact, lightweight aluminum gearbox and rubber handle, it's portable and user-friendly. Safety features include overload protection, 360-degree rotating hooks, and a secure latch system. Ideal for lifting and towing in garages, warehouses, factories, and construction sites, indoors or outdoors. Item number 2. The 500 kilograms electric traction hoist is a compact and powerful lifting tool with a 1,500-watt motor and a lifting speed of 5 ms per minute. It supports manual, remote, and wired control, offering full flexibility during operation. With a 9-meter towing distance and 6mm steel wire rope, it's ideal for both lifting and pulling tasks. Designed for efficiency and portability, this 10 kg hoist is perfect for use in construction sites, workshops, and home lifting needs. Item number 1. The VEVOR electric hoist combines strength, safety, and smart design. With a 1,500-watt motor, it lifts up to 1,100 pounds at 13 feet min, reaching heights of 22.9 feet. It offers 3 control methods: manual, 19 feet wired, and a 200 feet wireless remote. Built with aerospace-grade wire rope and a 360-degree rotating safety hook, it's ideal for garages, warehouses, or job sites. Durable, compact, and efficient, this hoist makes heavy lifting feel effortless. Thanks for watching. Like and comment. Subscribe this channel.